back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi if you're new. I'd love it if you guys hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell next to it so you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a desk tour. I am so excited to share this. I asked you guys over on my Instagram, which is just at Kellyprepster, if you guys would like to see an updated desk tour because I recently filmed a desk tour, but since then I have completely rearranged my room and a room tour is coming very soon because I'm super excited to share it with you guys and I'm almost done decorating. I've been decorating my room for almost 3 years now and I finally am like, it's almost complete. But today's video is going to be all about my desk. I'm going to show you guys what's inside of my desk, what's on top of it. It's very similar to the last video because that's just my style, but I'm super excited. I did change a lot of things up as well, so I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you do, and if you guys are excited about a future room tour, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, share the inspiration. So I hope you guys like it, and let's just get into it. So this is just a little overview of everything on my desk, and just so you guys can get a feel of how it is and everything. So on my chair, again, it's all the same. It's just my Ikea chair. I have a little pillow that's super cute. It matches my bedding, and then just this little fluffy rug that I got on Homegoods. And underneath my desk, I don't know if this is like too TMI, but I just have my trash can and my UGG slippers because my feet get really cold when I'm editing. This is just what the top looks like, and like the actual desk has so much more storage than my last desk because it has all of these shelves in here, which is so nice. But I'm just gonna get into my desk and show you guys everything in it. And it is free floating in my room, so there's nothing like on the opposite side. So like the back of it's my bed, and then my bed's right there, but you guys will see more of that in a future room tour, I promise. But so on my desk, I just have my day designer, and I seriously live by this thing. It's my absolute favorite planner of all time. I just like make to-do list in it. It's so nice because I'm going to show you guys an example. It just has a to-do list, and then it has like today by hour, your top 3 little reminders, and then it has your notes and your daily gratitude. I absolutely love this planner so much. I'm going to film a video on it very soon, don't worry. And then I just have my little lamp, and I believe this is from Ikea, and I really like it. I actually took it out of my brother's room a long time ago, so we just won't tell him. And then I have this cute little coffee mug, and it's like one of these sparkly cups, and I like to use this as a pen holder, so I have all of these fun pink and purple pens. I try to keep them all pink and purple just because I feel like it's so cute looking, and this one is seriously my favorite. It's so extra. Then I just have a few books. I have Think and Grow Rich, Big Magic, and Good to Great, and I just think these are really inspirational, but I love how it kind of gives it an office-y vibe. And then I have a few more books as well. So I have the official Preppy handbook, which is such a good read if you're looking for a fun book to read. You Are a BA. I have my One Direction CD because I love One Direction and the Jonas Brothers because, you know, your girl is always a fangirl. Then I just have my like backup hard drive thing right there. And then onto my computer, I just have an iMac. Love it so much. It's great for editing. The wallpaper is on Pinterest. I have a whole Pinterest board filled with wallpapers and everything, and I just thought this one was so cute because it's like little lipstick. And then on my computer, I tape on little quotes and stickers and stuff. They're just like taped on with like scotch tape, and I love it because I can change them out if I want to. It just says dream it, believe it, achieve it. I have a little Vineyard Vines whale sticker, and then on the side I have a little quote that says best is yet to come, which I love because it's pink. And then I just have my keyboard, my mouse, my phone's charging right here. This cable is all the way on the back of my computer. It's just like a hot mess. And then I recently painted my nails Fiji, so those are just sitting there right now, but I like to either put like nail polish or bracelets right there. I have my Anthropology mug with a K on it. This little flower, it fell out of my vase, so it's just sitting right there. And then a Sharpie marker. It's super random. Honestly, I forgot that marker was even in there. And then I have this little acrylic like paper holder thing. I used to use it to hold makeup palettes. I can't remember where I got it. I probably got it at TJ Maxx or something, but it's just sitting on my desk currently. So I have my flamingo notebook, which you guys know I am obsessed with this. I bought this at TJ Maxx. And then I have these little M stationaries because my last name starts with an M, and I just like having a little piece of paper if I have to jot anything down. I like to keep my window open if I can, especially if it's sunny, just to get some sunshine in my room because it's so nice when you're sitting here for so long editing a video. But onto my desk drawer, so this just opens up like so, and I have all of these little organization cubes from Target, and it's kind of messy. It might overwhelm you a little bit, but I promise it's organized. So I just keep a bunch of business cards in here. I get sent so many of them when I get stuff in the mail. A glue stick. This is so random. My old iPhone 4. Does anyone ever keep their old iPhones? Like, I just have it in there. I don't even use it. A battery pack, some headphones, camera stuff. Honestly, it's just a hot mess in here. A power charger thing, a little tape measure, my camera battery, some post-it notes. I seriously love post-it notes. I stick them everywhere. This koozie, and then like sticker giveaway stuff, and yeah, that's just random. Then I just have like computer stuff. So this is like SD cards, a like little cube for charging stuff, nails that go into my wall because I rearrange my artwork on my walls really often, and then like some push pins and paper clips in there. Again, it's like somewhat organized. So this is just like stuff that I got sent to me. So this is for like when you put monograms on things, you can wipe it clean before. I have a new phone charger, some stickers. These are just like PR things, like it says like, hi, thanks for working with us, and I keep all of those because it's so special to me. And then I just have a bunch of my Kellyprepster stickers, which you guys can buy on Etsy if you are interested. And then I just have like other markers in here. And then in the back of it, I have some command hooks, my little sewing kit, tape, a ruler, and an envelope with receipts in it. It's pretty organized. It could be more, but it just has all of my basic desk stuff. And then onto this little drawer, I just have a few chargers in here. So this is just like my iPhone charger. And then I keep my laptop charger in this drawer as well, just because I don't know where else to put it. But that is currently in my backpack, so it's not in here. But that drawer is pretty much empty. And then this opens up like this, and it's pretty organized. I don't really use all of this stuff too much, so I'll give you guys a little overview. So that is just what it looks like inside. And on the bottom, I keep this little basket that I got at the Container Store, and it just has all my hair tools and like hair brushes inside of it, and that just slides in and out, which is so nice. And this shelf just has some makeup palettes in it that are too big for my makeup cubes that I just recently got. And then I have some protein bars because they sent me this whole box of them, which are so good. If you guys want to try them out, I definitely recommend them. And then I just have a few little notebooks. So this is like my agenda, my notebook, and then this little pencil pouch is in here, and it just has like a ton of markers and stuff, and I just keep that in there because I don't have a spot for them in my desk. And so that is everything in this side of my desk, but it really does offer so much more storage. And I'll have this Ikea desk listed down below if you guys want to get the same one as me. But that is just everything on my desk, so I'll give you guys another little overview real quick. I just think it's so nice and it's so practical because it holds everything that I need for my day-to-day life. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and comment down below what your favorite color is because I would love to know. I think that'd be a really fun question of the day. But if you guys are new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can keep updated with me, and I'd love to have you guys on my channel as well. So thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys!